Hi, Reethun.
I'm peeling the potato skin. See, this is the skin. It
Okay.
covers the yellow one thing. You see it? What do you think? Does that look tasty? Or does that look tasty?
Yeah.
What do you think? It looks very good. I'm going to cook. You have to peel it. See it? That's the potato skin. Okay. You have to peel it out. Very careful for when you do the work. Get a little bit of... Look, Mommy, my hand full of flour. Potatoes. See it? Yeah. You see that yellow right there?
Yeah.
You have to peel it with your hands, okay?
Okay.
Put it in there. There's a
Wow.
lot of skin in there. You see it?
Yeah.
You have to peel it super quickly. Okay.
Oh, is this a challenge?
Yes, that's a challenge. That's called peeling the skin.
Okay.
Eat challenge.
Okay.
Now the challenge starts now.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right. How many you have peeled till now? You have peeled 2 potatoes, 3.
Yes.
You're gonna finish 3.
Yes. And I'm going to win this race.
Okay.
Now let's do the other potato.
Okay.
See it? Now the next potato.
What is that? An egg?
No, is that a potato? That's a potato. And also an egg.
Okay.
You gotta get it hatch. You see it?
Okay.
And here's... Okay. What do you think? Is that look tasty or does that look tasty?
Yeah. That looks
That looks
tasty.
tasty?
Yeah.
Oh.
Potatoes are very tasty.
Yes, I'm gonna eat it all up. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay.
and put a plate and eat it all up. Yum, 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 yum.
That's
So
silly.
You eat all of it to go. Yum, 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 yum.
You love potatoes?
Yes, I love it. I'm gonna eat it all up in my plate. I will eat all of it. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay.
Go super faster. So silly. Just kidding. Look at my hand. What did that give us?
Gives us energy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We love potatoes.
Okay.
Daily eat potatoes only. It's a healthy food to eat.
Okay.
I will eat when I put my plate and I eat it all up. Nom, 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 nom.
That's Reethun's favorite vegetable, right?
Yes. Yes. You see that yellow right there?
Mm.
That's that chisel.
Okay.
There you go.
What? Did you finish them?
No.
Finished peeling all the potatoes?
Skin.
Okay, now you have finished 4 potatoes. Oh, that's great.
No, I didn't finish. Just 2 minutes. Okay. It's stuck. This potato skin is stick in my hands.
Okay.
It's stick. Looks like a gum. I have two potatoes left.
Okay.
I have to peel it. Looks like an egg shape. Get it out.
Okay, is this challenge finished?
Yes.
Yeah, you finished doing everything?
Yes,
Oh, you
this
peeled
go
all the
to the
potatoes.
garden. This go to cooking.
Yeah, okay. We'll cook the potatoes now, okay?
Yes, that's gonna be super tasty.
Okay.
So
Now,
the challenge finished. So I hope you end this session so much fun.
okay. Now I'm gonna give you some gifts for you finishing this challenge very
Yes,
well.
thank you, Mom.
Here's your gift. Surprise.
Thank you.
Okay.
And you have to just subscribe for more videos. Or you can watch more again. Or you can see my fun videos. Search in my name. You know, my name is Reethun. But you know how to spell my name. Let's spell it together. R-E-A-T-H-U-N. Reethun. Good job. That's my name. Reethun. Thank you for watching and subscribe and click here and you love it and subscribe. Click here.